I'm actually in the process. I'm in the process of chugging 46 ounces of beer right now, so it's not easy. It's not so simple, but Rainier, Mr. Rainier could have done it quick. Malt liquor. Oh. Oh man, I feel like I'm gonna clog my nose up. Well, my chest. Fuck. Oh fuck. Shit, sneeze attack. I don't know, I'm not really an alcoholic, but I drink when I feel like it. I'm a binge drinker, but it's just fucking sucks. Uh, I'm trying to chug quick, but someone said my boobs or my chest hang over my stomach. I can't help it. I mean, I'm an old fart, you know. I'm an old hag. You know, eating a pickle, doing this video and this video, but it's called Van Holten. You know, and but man, I feel ugly. These glasses, I don't like them. I feel like I got a burp, but I can't. You know, it's like. But my other two videos was like, I ain't shopping at Aldi's. I'm gonna go to Kroger's for my meat or Giant Eagle. Don't fuck around with Save a Lot anymore. Fuck Save a Lot. But you know, like, I'm just thinking, like, I was sort of giving you guys an update in my other videos, and I'm like, I'm here to I'm here to snack, and I'm here just to do the single thing. When you're a single guy, you don't have nobody. Just movies, music to entertain you, and food, and booze. And what else can a dude do besides doing what I'm doing? I'm speaking on my behalf. I'm speaking for me, which is me, but I had to burp. There it goes. I can swallow this now. It's like if I don't basically burp, I puke. If I try to force chug it, regurgitate, like it just comes right out. When I was a young buck, when I was a Smurf, I could chug quick. My record's like 2 minutes and 40 seconds drinking a 40-ounce malt liquor, or a minute and 52 seconds, or 2 minutes and 10 seconds, something like that. I can't do it anymore. I'll be 43 years old, and I feel like I'm 66 years old. Raggedy, nasty tasting beer. Even though Mr. Rayner said it was nutritious or delicious and nutritious, I don't think so.